Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm back with prepping for the 30 days of sketches again, and the day 19. I'm gonna need 4 photos and approximately, let's see, 4 pieces of paper, and I thought, now I'm going to be doing something that's actually vacation setting. So I'm going to have this one here, and then I think I might use part of this and part of this, and I'm going to use this and probably won't be using any of this, but might use it for embellishments after I cut into it or something. And I thought I would also throw these chippies in there. And let's see. Oh, and this is Minte's Lighthouse. So I have embellishments. I mean, what they call them, elements. And then I have some string I know I'll be using, so I'm gonna stick that in here too. And I also have word stickers and some other stickers too. So I am sticking the rest of the collection in with this one, but I'm going to also be using this collection for another layout, so I'll actually be passing it on to that layout when I'm done with this one. So this is for day 19. Let's see here, I gotta, okay. So yeah, I've just got all the rest of it here, just so I keep it together, so I don't get to the end and go, oh, I must be all out of that. Okay, and then day 20, it's just a single photo, and I'm going to be using love letters from Minte, and it's actually a photo I scrapbooked before, but it's for the 2 older grandchildren, so I'm gonna be using it for both of them. Okay, so I've already done one, this will be the other one, and they won't look anything, they won't, well, they'll look alike by they have the same picture. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Asuka Studio leather and wood texture, and I'm gonna be using the wood. Oh, they're wood on both sides. Sometimes they're not. Okay. And I think I'm going to be using this one. And then I'll have these 2 papers. And now again, I don't know if I've used this at all, but I'm going to put it all together so that, you know, I keep it together. So this is Minte Love Letters. And that's day 20. Okay. And then my next one is day 23. And I'm gonna be using some scrap paper. And so I've got 4 different colors here. And I thought I might use this here, and maybe the shoes, maybe the hat. So I might use that in there. I mean, I'm thinking I am. And then for this one, I just need the 1 paper and the scrap paper and some stickers. But again, I'm gonna use it for another one. And so I'll be passing it on to another day as well. So, but I'm keeping it together. So just the 1 paper and then the 4 scrap papers. Oh, and this is by Echo Park, and it's a little boy. Okay. And that actually has 4 photos with that one. Okay. And then my next one is day 22. And this one here, I had a kit, and in my kit that I had made, let's see, I had these 3 papers, but I'm going to be using it on day 22, so I needed to add another paper. So I decided on this purple, which is also words, and I probably won't be using this one, but just because I'm adding another paper to it. So I'm also going to be having these, and which I'll actually be making tags out of those. I'm also adding this, and these were the stickers that I had stuck with the paper kit that I had made. So I've added to the kit, but I'm going to keep everything else in the kit with the exception. I'm actually going to leave this in the kit just in case I use it for something, but I don't think so. So, because I'm making it a little more girly than what I had originally planned for the kit. So that will be day 31, and so these like I might use this, and I think it's from Jolie's Boutique or Jolie's by You, and this is Doodlebug Designs, and I'm pretty sure that I don't know if this was an Angela stuff or if Maureen gave it to me, but somebody gifted me this. I think it might have been Maureen. I'm just not sure. And I'm going to try to tell you what these are. This is by Colorbach and Susan Branch. I love Susan Branch. And this one here is Paper Pizzazz. And it's like baby, loved, baby talk, ticklish, loved. And this one here is, it's called Purple Friendship, and it's just by Crafts Inc. Okay, and this one is from a paper pad, and I think it was American Crafts Baby Boy. Okay, so lots of different things going on there, and I think that will be fun. Oh, and I have some of these Echo Park frames too, and this was in the kit, so I don't know if I'll be using that, but I'm going to stick it in there anyway. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that in there even though I'm not using it for that, because maybe the scraps I'll use it with the scraps. Who knows? Okay, so that's for page 22. Okay, and then page 23, I am going to be using, let's see, I need 3 papers. So I'm using this, this, and this. And then I thought I would use something from this paper. I just love the Tinker toys or whatever they call those. And I think one of these is that too. Maybe not. No, it must be on the other one. But I just think that's so cute. Okay, so that one I need 4 pictures. I have 5. I have not decided how I'm gonna work that out. But because one of them I probably don't need, so I might just make one of them that's horizontal into a vertical. So we'll see about that. So that, and this is, I already said, it's Little Boy by Echo Park. Okay. So that will be fun. Okay. And here's the other one I'm going to be using the Minte Lighthouse for. And so I'll be pulling the stickers and word stickers and the fussy cut pieces in with this. And so I just oh, and I'll be using some scraps with this one too. So, and it's just one photo. So that's it for today, and I'll be back tomorrow and be finishing off the 30 days of sketches. And this might be the first time, otherwise it's the second time. So I'm excited to have that ahead of me. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.